Problem-based and project-based learning models. The problem with the literary canon and seeing the other through a photo story project by Elizabeth Stearns for Instructional Models for Digital Learning. Literary bias in the canon, investigating the voiced and the voiceless in British literary history. The problem, what biases contributed to the exclusivity of the British literary canon? Who were the literate? What prevented the voiceless from gaining access to literary history? Who chose the work of the voiced? The research component. Students will work in groups to investigate the religious, political, and social belief systems of assigned eras of British literature. Research methods. The research methods students will employ include library digital databases, interviewing a guest speaker from the local college, an expert on postmodern canon deconstruction, and viewing streaming video revealing bias in journalism through the ages. Students will also collect evidence of present-day journalistic bias. The considered solutions. In this open-ended, problem-based learning environment, the work continues. Students will create photo stories of their discoveries of bias throughout British literary history and present them with their findings of current bias in present-day journalism and literature. Students will find volunteer programs that work toward representing the unrepresented voices in journalism and literature. Share the information and discuss a way to contribute to their efforts. And now for the project-based learning model, seeing the other through a photo story lens. The photo story product. The project consists of students working in groups to research, design, and produce a photo story of assigned eras of British literary history. The evaluation will consist of students at our sister high school in Great Britain evaluating their cultural literary history through another cultural lens while students discuss and evaluate the experience. Navigate to the YouTube video featured in the address bar for a 10-minute, 46-second video prompt for the project-based learning opportunity, Researching British Literary History, a journey through the LTHS library digital databases, the first of many instructional videos on the Loudish Librarian channel. And now for a comparison and contrast of the PBLs. Problem and project-based similarities are many. Both are learner-centered. Both align the instruction and learning to issues and skills students will negotiate in the global community. And both draw upon extensive multidisciplinary research. The differences between problem and project-based learning center mainly on the fact project-based learning is geared toward the product as the catalyst for the knowledge gained and evaluated, whereas problem-based learning begins with more of a slant orchestrated by the instructor as the problem already sets up the students to take a stand, interested and invested in their solution. Whether problem or project-based learning is employed, the learning will be active and authentic. Thank you.